Hi guys, today I'm showing you a game changer YouTube dual stream feature. That's the YouTube new dual stream feature. I will also show you how to set up it and go live in landscape and the vertical format at the same time to double your instant reach. The golden rule in this is the position. To look great in both formats, stay in the middle. Imagine a vertical safe zone in the middle of your wide screen. Place yourself, your your main object or your text overlay right in the center column. And why I say your main object or your text overlay, if you are a faceless channel and you can also stream in both vertical and landscape if you choose to do so. This ensures that when YouTube crops the sides for the vertical feed, your content stays visible and is not cut off. The pros: wider reach. You hit both the shorts feed and the standard homepage simultaneously. Single chat. You only have to monitor one chat box for both audience. So you will only have one chat box for your vertical and your landscape feed. You built-in tools for this dual stream. No need for extra software or paid subscription. So you don't have to do the paid subscription, whether by StreamYard. I think that is the most famous one that offers the Mars feature that you can do both vertical and landscape. But with that, you will have two live stream with the YouTube dual feeds. You feature you only have one stream, but it is featured both in the landscape and in the vertical short feed format. Cons of using the dual stream. Hardware stream. It uses more CPU. So the con is it uses more CPU power to encode two separate feeds. Framing difficulty. Staying centered in both 16.9 or the 9.6, or in this case and, because they're doing it both, so it would be and. So staying both in the 16.9 and the 9.16 takes practice. So that's the con of it. It takes practice to center yourself or your main object, your CTA, into the center of internet speed. This is another con. You need a high upload gigabytes to prevent buffering. So I think the pros outweigh the cons, because you reach a wider audience. At the end, I will show you how, I will demonstrate to you how to set up the um the stream, so you can stream in both format. So you would go ahead and you will set up your live stream. You would go ahead and you will set up your live stream, and then you would have to go to your live stream, and I'm sharing my screen now, guys, so we can walk this through. So I had went ahead and I had preset a live stream. Let me zoom it a little bit more so it's visible, and let me check to see that you are actually seeing what I'm doing. I think we can zoom up a little bit, so I will stay in the 175 feed. Let me scroll down. No, I think 175 is too big, so we'll stay at 150. It's too wide, so let's us stay at 150 so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So after you have set up your live stream, you will go to your YouTube homepage, and this is via the desktop version of your live stream. So you go to your homepage. When you arrive there, you will see your live stream as an upcoming. So you will see it as an upcoming. You will see your channel name, the amount of subscription, join, analysis. If you're a monetized channel, you will see join. If not, you won't see the join, and you will see analysis, and you will also see edit video. You will click on analysis, and then it will take you right to the control room. In the control room, you will just scroll down and go all the way down until you see new dual stream, and you will see new there. For now, the new is still there because it's a fairly new feature. And then you will, it's quite easy, you just click on the toolbar, and it will, once you go live, it will give you the stream in both features. So if you scroll up, you will see that my screen is divided into two. So this section over here is the landscape or horizontal section, and this side over here is the vertical section. So let's walk through this again. So I'm going to turn it off. So we are going to turn it off, and I'm going to get out of the control room and go back to my YouTube homepage. And then remember, we are going to click on analysis, and it is right beside the join button. If you are not a monetized channel, it would be right beside your channel name, and also next to the edit video. So you will click on analysis. This is on your laptop or the desktop version of your YouTube page. Then once you're in the studio, you will scroll all the way down, and let me align my page until you see, and it's right underneath stream settings. So that's the header you want to go into, stream settings, and then you will see dual stream new. You just click on the toolbar to turn it on, and to check if it's on, you are going to scroll back up and check if you see it, the interface divided into two. So this section is the landscape, aka horizontal format, and this is the vertical portrait format. So it is now in both format. And also, if you look to the far end, you will see this is where your comments will appear. So that's simple and easy how you turn it on. You can also from here click on edit and do any editing that you need to do, whether it's your title, your description, and also turn on your monetization from here if you're a monetized channel. If you are not a monetized channel, then you just do the editing from there and click on save, and then you are all set. If you notice, once I click on save, it takes me back to the control room and the dual button is there. So thank you all for watching. We have walked through the new YouTube dual mode. If this video was any help to you, drop it in the comment section if you have tried it before or you're going to think about trying it, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Please consider to like, share, and subscribe to Blessed Life Journey. Catch you all on another video tutorial. Bye guys.